Now you're going to go within, whatever that means for you. Go within now, take a slow, deep breath. Be gently guided to that place deep within where you know and where you are. Blessed Prime Creator, guide me to my original set point, my original place of power and faith and trust that lies within. Guide me into the understanding that I can be free of everybody else's pain and suffering. As I let go of all past agreements and patterns of where I took on other people's pain into my body in order to help them. I now release that agreement back to the universe. I now let go of all contracts, conscious and unconscious agreements of taking on other people's pain in order to help them. I now declare, as I take a deep breath, I am free, I am free, I am free. As I move into the upper room, I declare, I know who I am, I know what I am, and I know how I serve creation in love and truth. I am God, I am sovereign, I am free. And I declare this to be so on all levels of consciousness. I am free, I am free, I am free. And I now take a very deep breath into my body as I now choose to let go energetically and emotionally of all the stuff that has been stuck inside my body. For I now choose to be a clear and perfect channel for divine flow in all ways, in all times, in all places, in all circumstances, and in all levels of consciousness. And so it is.